Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a swipe and spin, and I love how this turned out, you guys. I usually do these on more rectangular canvases, but I wanted to do something different, and this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. So this painting has sold, but I do have prints of it available in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. I also have my Swipe and Spin online course that's available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.